Hi, I'm Chase Freeman, and I want to show you how easy it is to use the Brick Sound Kit. Now we're going to record our own sounds. Now let's sync Brick Sound Kit and hear our sounds. We're gonna start out with my own sounds myself, which the sound we just created is probably in there, like that one. There's a sound. You can attach the Brick Sound Kit to any Lego compatible ship or any Lego pieces. If you build it, do what you're supposed to do. Like this one, the Star Wars, the Force Awakens. Sorry, I had the British. And for this one, you put it on the front like that. I suggest you put it on the back so it's well balanced, because you need to hold on the back. Now we're gonna be using my sounds because we don't have the sounds for this, but you can find them online or make your own. Like this one with my picture.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot you guys.